Unturned?
I know who you're talking about.
Okay. It's Ann Downing, and I got acquainted with Ann through the Gaither videos. She's an incredible lady, and I remember her from the Downings. Used to have a lot of their albums back years and years ago.
I had a lot of their albums, but I didn't have a record player, so I don't know how they sounded, but I enjoyed buying them.
They were good. They were really good. And I tell you what, all around sweet lady, because we were walking across the parking lot here to get to the building, and it was really hot, and it was a long way, and
you're telling me something
really
I
pitiful.
don't know. It's hot.
It is, and we looked so pitiful that she stopped, me and Jeff, and she stopped and she gave us a ride over here. So I really appreciate her. Y'all make her welcome, Ann Downing.
Ann Downing.
Road that led to Calvary was meant for just one man, and only Jesus' perfect love carry heaven's plan, completing every part of the work he began. Left no stone unturned and stable to keep, no road untraveled, no mountain unmoved, no sorrow unknown, no sin unatoned. He lived every promise, fulfilled every word. Left no stone unturned. Are you eating brownies down there? My favorite thing in the whole world. With every sin, our Savior bore forgiveness, found a place, and every tear that touched the cross, it was heaven's warm embrace. In each drop of blood was an ocean of grace. He left no stone unturned, stable to no road untraveled, no mountain unmoved, no sorrow unknown, no sin unatoned. He lived every promise, fulfilled every word. He left no stone unturned, and still today those healing hands reach out with power to save. Jesus marked the victory with an empty grave. He left no stone unturned, stable to no road untraveled, no mountain unmoved, no sorrow unknown, no sin unatoned. Filled every promise, filled every word. Oh, don't you know? He left no stone unturned, no stone unturned, no stone unturned.
Isn't that wonderful? Ann Downing, a true lady of Southern gospel music. And